Kuala Lumpur, its relevance comes into question. Also in the studio, we will discuss on the current oil price slump and its effects on the country's economic health. How long will it persist, and what can we expect ahead? Hello, I'm your host Anita Wu, and welcome to another episode of Ringgit Sense. For the average Malaysian, there's definitely a fear factor when it comes to investing in the stock market. Watching the stock market rise and fall, it's easy to imagine why a beginner might be anxious about investing in the market. Still, the equities market is a good avenue for investment. And for the sensitive investor, the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange offers a huge selection of Shariah-compliant stocks. There is a prevailing misconception that investing in the equities or the stock market is a high-risk and a high-stake game. Not necessarily. In fact, it's a good way to grow and expand one's assets, be it investing in short, medium or long term.
But in terms of investment, especially if you invest in companies or public listed companies, at the end of the day, you will still get a return, either in terms of capital gain or either in terms of dividends. There need to be a minimum amount of knowledge in terms of investment. This is what we in our company, we advocate in trying to educate the public, and especially the students from the universities who are graduating, so that when they go into the working force, they can put aside, say if they earn 3,000 ringgit a month, they can put aside probably 500 ringgit. And they can slowly buy stocks which are affordable, and keep it for probably 1 year or 2 years. And they can either get dividend returns, or if they want to have capital gains, they can sell it after a period of about 1 year.
BIMB Securities, established in 1994, is the first and only full-fledged Sharia-compliant stockbroking company in Malaysia, providing an avenue for Muslims and non-Muslims alike to invest in shares of listed companies which only deal with Sharia-compliant activities. Currently, 74.5% of stocks listed on the Bursa Malaysia are Sharia-compliant counters with a total market capitalization of over 1,000 billion ringgit. Hence, a lucrative opportunity to tap into for investment. Although those who wish to invest in stocks are advised to do so with their extra cash, there's also a misconception that those wishing to invest in stocks would need a huge sum of money. Now, every investor can afford to invest in shares listed on Bursa Malaysia with a small capital outlay.
For a novice investor who do not want to start big, now the bought lots or the denominations of trading has been reduced to 100 units. As compared in those days, it's 1,000 units. They call it one bought lot. Now one bought lot can mean 100 units, or you can buy 1,000 units. And that is the smallest denomination you can trade. Why they have subdivided or rather reduced it to 100 units? There are counters that may reach a price of about, say, 40 ringgit per unit. So if you buy 1,000, it'll be about 40,000, isn't it? So if you reduce it to 100 units, there's only about 4,000. So it's still reachable for those people who want to buy good stocks in the market.
With knowledge and discipline, one can mitigate risks. The ease of investing in stocks is you can do it online in the comfort of your home and have ultimate control of your investment.
In terms of online trading, as compared to the normal trading where you call the dealers through the phone, it will be cheaper because there is no interaction between the client and the dealer's representative. And in terms of decision making, the client, him or herself, will be able to make that decision to buy or sell. But nevertheless, on our online trading website, the research report is also provided for the client to read and make an informed decision on what kind of counters that he would wish or she would wish to buy or sell.